Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will introduce how to choose the right size of MaggieFrame, which is your most common use. When you receive your machine, you will get the 5 size of green embroidery hoop like this. Now let's start the comparison between the green hoop and our MaggieFrame. The first one, the inside dimension is 60mm by 90mm, and our similar MaggieFrame, the size is 100mm by 100mm. That means 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch. Let's do the comparison. Our MaggieFrame 100mm by 100mm have a little bit bigger embroidery size. This hoop in your hands, the inside dimension is 90mm by 175mm, and our similar MaggieFrame size is 130mm by 130mm. That means 5.1 inch by 5.1 inch. Let's do the comparison. You see, our MaggieFrame 130mm by 130mm is a little bit bigger. This hoop in your hands, the inside dimension is 125mm by 190mm, and our similar MaggieFrame size is 150mm by 200mm. That means 6 inch by 8 inch. This hoop in your hands, the inside dimension is 238mm by 300mm, and our similar MaggieFrame, the size is 195mm by 350mm. That means 7.7 inch by 12.5 inch. Let's do the comparison. You see, the embroidery size are very close. If your machine looks like the Barudan PR machine or looks like a Tajima Sai embroidery machine, this is the biggest magnetic hoop can be used on a machine in the market. Except the 4 size of MaggieFrame, we also have another 4 size for you to choose. For example, we have this size. The dimension is 7.6 inch by 2.7 inch. This size is mainly for the sleeve and also for some clothes for the babies. There are hundreds of brands of embroidery machine may use this kind of hoop. So if you have this hoop in your hand, but the machine brand may be a local brand or maybe a Chinese brand, but the hoop length is 395mm or 550mm, and you want to buy the MaggieFrame on our online store. You just need to compare and confirm the hoop in your hands is exactly same as the photo of the hoop we put on the web page. And you just need to choose the right size which you want of the MaggieFrame. For example, like this one or this one for your machine. If you have this kind of green hoop in your hand, but the brackets and the hoop length is different from what we listed online, just email us with a photo of the hoop in your hands and tell us the hoop length. That's okay, and we can deliver you the exactly hoop as you expected. Thanks for your time for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit to find the right size of MaggieFrame which you need for your embroidery work. If you have interest to know more information about MaggieFrame or how to use the MaggieFrame, please subscribe to our channel. We will bring more information, skills and experience to you. Thanks for your time. See you next time.